Hi y'all. Today's dilemma is I have this jacket I love, but there are no inner pockets. So I don't like to carry around the big handbag that you store all your stuff that dislocates your shoulder. I am going to make pockets inside for my glasses and for my phone. So that's going to be my tutorial today. So this is my remnant I found at the fabric store for $1. And I want to make it wider than my phone by about an inch, but I'm going to do 2 of these, so I'm going to cut 2 at a time. And I also want 2 inches at the top to fold over and stitch. So it looks like to need, let's put it down here, looks like I need 9 inches by 6. I'm going to cut it 9 by 6, so it'll be 18 by 6. Double it. Decided we did 18. Well, for some reason that's straight. Okay. Optical illusion. So first, I am going to serge around the edges with my serger. We are going to take our pieces and fold them in half. If you can see what I'm doing here. And I'm going to sew to right about there and stop. And this one, I'm going to have about 3/4 of an inch seam. Alright, so the one side, we're going to go 1/2 inch approximately. And then we're going to roll it another 1/2 inch. And just attempt to get it straight. So 1/2 inch. And again. Over. Next, we're going to insert it into my coat. see there's a line in the coat and the dart in the coat, so that's what I'm going to use for my area. Put a pin right there, and a pin right there, and I'm going to carefully lift this up so I don't get my coat cut right in the middle. So I'm just cutting the lining. Scissors don't want to cut. That one. There. Now, got a lovely rip in my lining now. Going to fold that like that. And insert. Let's do this side first. I'm just going to line that, fold it under and line it up right. The edge. That side. We're going to go. That side's going to be a little tricky. Because I want to pin it, not catch the coat, just get the lining. Going to stitch it carefully right into the lining, not into the coat. side pocket in my coat. And it will carry the stuff I need without the purse. Thanks for watching.